Good day. I'm Jill, and together with Carly and Rafa, we'll be discussing about Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started. If you are familiar with the function and interface of Google Mail or Gmail, understanding Microsoft Outlook would be easy since both have the same function and similar interface. So for this tutorial, we'll be using Microsoft Outlook's website. When you click the three lines on the left side of the screen, you will see this: inbox, sent items, drafts, deleted items, junk mail or spam mails, archive, then notes. When you click notes, you will see this. You could add a new note, and you can use this in note taking, making reminders, or to-do lists. Next, you will see conversation history. Then below it, you would see groups. This would be helpful when you have work that needs to be done with other people. Click new group. Put the name of your group or the title of your work. You could also add a brief description about it. Then click Create. Then you will see Add Members. Input here the email addresses of your workmates. Then you have the option to change if you want them to be the owner or member only. When you click Manage Group, you would see all the groups that you belong to or that you own. With this, you could just email the group, then all of the members would receive the email. Then, if you want to invite other people to join the group, you could use a link by clicking Invite Other at the top, then copy link, then you can send it to anyone. So for our next feature, we will breeze through on how to create an email. So first, at the top, you would see Send button. Then Attach, click this if you want to attach a file from your computer or cloud. The next is the Encrypt button. Using this would add additional security to your email. You could change it by clicking Change Permissions. If you click the Encrypt, only the receiver that has the private key will be able to read the email. Moreover, if you click University of the Philippines Confidential, it could be edited by the other party that also belongs to UP. However, if you click University of the Philippines Confidential View Only, it could only be viewed. Moving on, next is the discard button. This is used if you want to delete what you are doing. Next, when you click the three dots, you will see Save Draft. Then insert signature. You can create your own signature in the settings by clicking View All Outlook Settings and Compose Reply. Then Show From if you want to see from whom the email will come from. Then Show Message option will show you this. Sensitivity will change the type of the email. Then if you check Request a Read Receipt, you will be notified that the email that you sent have been read. Meanwhile, Request a Delivery Request will notify you if your message has been sent. So let's move on to the inbox. You will see a check inside a circle icon. Clicking this will select all the emails. Then when you click an email, you will see this. You will see delete, archive button, and junk. Junk can be used to report an email. The sweep tool can help you organize where your email will be located. You can move all messages from the inbox folder and any future messages, always keep the late messages, and move the rest from the inbox folder, or always move messages older than 10 days from the inbox folder. Then, here are the possible new locations of your email: inbox, deleted items, archive, or in a different folder. Meanwhile, Move To tool has the same function, but the difference is that Move To will only move the selected emails, while the Sweep tool will move everything.
I will tour you around this site. At the top left, you would see the app launcher. When you click this, you would see shortcuts for other Microsoft applications. Then at the top right, you would see Teams call and chat symbols. If you click these, it would redirect you to Microsoft Teams where you could chat or video call with other people. Then, next to it is OneNote feed. Here, you could input notes, reminders, or even to-do lists. Then, beside it is the My Day. When you click this, it would show you all the events that would happen for the day. And it would show you your to-do list. If you want to add a task, click Add Task. So for example, I will input Submit Paper. Then, if you want to put a deadline, drag the task to the calendar like this. From there, you could edit it if you want to have a reminder notification or not, or which calendar you would like it to belong to. Moving on, beside the My Day is Activity. This would also show you notifications for your or from your email. Next, this is the button for settings. You can choose the theme, mode, notification options, the appearance of event colors, and if you want it to be bold or not. Then, you could also choose the time zone, date format, time format, what is the first day of the week, and a scale when displaying weather. Then, lastly, here are the Help button and What's New button. Help button would show you some tips on how to use Outlook. Meanwhile, What's New would show you updates about the site. Then, I will show you how to create a new calendar. You will see 3 lines besides the new event. So click those 3 lines. With that, you will see Add Calendar. Click Add Calendar. If you click Add Personal Calendars, you can add your other calendar from another account, such as from your Google account or from your Microsoft account itself. In my case, I will choose my Google account. After pressing Google, you will choose an account, or you will see Choose an Account. Then, choose your preferred account. Then click Allow. After that, you will see all your calendars from that account. Moreover, I will teach you how to create a blank calendar. So these calendars would be the category of your events. So first, click Create Blank Calendar. Then you will see calendar name. I will write Finals. Then you could choose the color of your chosen calendar. Then you could also choose a symbol of your calendar. Then click Save. Then I will show you how to edit your other calendars. First, select the calendar. You could change the title of your calendar or the color or the symbol, or you could also delete it. Then click Save. So moving on, I will show you how to add people that can edit or view your calendar. Click Add from Directory, enter an email address, and after, you will see Add To. Then you could choose from My Calendars, Other Calendars, People's Calendars. If you choose My Calendars, they could access your calendars. Then, if you want to add a calendar from the internet to your account, click Subscribe from Web. So for example, I got the calendar link of my groupmate. So paste the link on the blank, then click Import. Input the name of the calendar, choose a color and symbol. Then you will see Add To. You could choose from here under what account would the calendar belong to. So I'll choose my calendar, then click Import. Then next, if you want to import the calendar from your computer, click Upload from File, then click Browse. Then click the calendar that you want to upload. After that, select the calendar where you want to put the uploaded calendar. Then click Import. However, make sure that it is an ICS file. Now, I'll show you how to create a new event. Click New Event beside the 3 lines. Then you will see this. Put the title of the event. If you want the event to appear on other people's calendars, input their email addresses. Then you could change the start date and the end date here and the time it would end or start. However, you can also have the option to make it an all-day event. Then beside it, you could choose for how long this event would repeat. Then on the right side of the screen, you could manually adjust the start time and the end time of the event. You could also include the location of where the event would take place. This would also help the people you invited if ever you have some. Then, you could also include a brief description about the event, and you could also attach a file here. So this means that you could attach a document or a picture. Then, at the top part beside save, you could change under what category or calendar this event would be. Then at the top, you would also see response options. When you click it, you will see request responses, allow forwarding, and hide the attendee list. If you put a check on request responses, the people that would receive this would be asked if they are busy, available, and the like. Then, if you click hide attendee list, this would hide the attendees to those who would receive this event or email. Then, click save.